You guys need to learn copywriting frameworks. So before you dive into, I'm going to be an email guy, I'm going to be a Facebook ad guy, I'm going to be a sales page copywriter, go learn the fundamentals of copy. Once you understand how humans tick, once you understand consumer psychology, when you know how humans operate and you know how to tap into their emotions and you know how to hook people and you know copywriting frameworks like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and you know copywriting frameworks like PAS, problem, agilate, solution. When you know how these copywriting frameworks work, you can simply copy, paste, and apply them to anything, whether it's emails, sales pages, or Facebook ads. So step one to writing a killer Facebook ad, get into the fundamentals, learn frameworks, learn copy frameworks. In terms of like actual like nuance and tactics, I'll just say this: I have never specialized into Facebook ads, so that's not my core specialty. My core specialty is actually email copywriting. You know, I've written Facebook ads, I've written sales pages, I've written blog posts, I've done these other things. My core thing's email. What I'd recommend for you, if you want to write a killer Facebook ad, number one, learn copy frameworks. Number two, here's a little sneaky secret for all you guys. If you want to get really good at writing Facebook and Instagram ads and stuff like that, Facebook ad library. Go to Google, type in Facebook ad library. And what it is a database of every single Facebook and Instagram ad in existence from every single company on earth. Go look at the top dogs and it'll show you every Facebook ad, every Instagram ad. Go look at swipe files. I never write copy. Well, I can't say I never write copy from scratch, but I never start from square one with a blank page and be like, oh, what should I write? You never have to start your copy from scratch. Go look at what other people are doing. Go look at swipe files. Go read books. Go look at OG swipe files like classic sales letters and ads. I'll put a link to a swipe file in a bit. And then go look at modern copywriting in your specialty. So if you want to write really killer Facebook ads, go look at really killer Facebook ads. Go into Facebook ad library. It's a free tool. Just go to Google, Facebook ad library. Click your country, just click United States if you're not sure, or worldwide. Click show all ads and click show active ads. And what it will do is this library will literally show you every single ad ever for every company. It's public. It's like a huge public library that companies can't hide their stuff. You can go see Apple's ads, Nike's ads, every huge top company. You can see the little guy. Like if you're like, oh, I'm going after, so Reaper One. If you're going after, let's just say fitness coaches, and you got to write Facebook ads for fitness coaches, dude, go type in fitness coach into Facebook ad library and see what kind of ads pop up. And here's a little sneaky secret to take it to the next level. Filter by active ads so you just see ads that are currently live. Then look at the date that they started running the ad. If you want to know what ads are performing well, like a really good indicator, go look at the date that they started, and the further back that they started that ad, and it's still an active ad, pretty good odds that ad's making good money. Otherwise, they wouldn't still be pouring money into it if it's not. So go start there. Again, ads are not my main specialty, but like this is where you want to start. Go look at what other people are doing. Go look at ads that you know are performing well. Check the start date. The further back it is, if it's older than a month, 2 months, 3 months, that's probably a good ad. Go swipe it, screenshot it, save it, create a swipe file folder, and start there. And then apply that, use those principles and apply that to your ad.